Let me ask you something. Have you ever liked a girl who just didn't seem to feel the same way? You're around her. You're nice to her. You're there for her. But she treats you like a background character in her own life. If that's you right now, keep watching. Because most guys in this situation do everything wrong without even knowing it. I want to be honest with you first. Attraction isn't about tricking someone or playing games. It's about becoming someone worth being attracted to. I've seen guys lose girls they could have had, not because the girl wasn't interested, but because of how they showed up. So let's get into it. Sign 1. The first mistake most guys make is being too available. You reply instantly. You cancel your plans for her. You're always there. And here's the problem. When you're always available, she never gets a chance to miss you. Scarcity creates value, not cruelty. Just having your own life. Sign 2. Stop trying to impress her and start being impressive. There's a difference. Trying to impress her looks like nervousness, over-explaining yourself, and seeking her approval. Being impressive looks like having goals, having opinions, and not needing her to validate who you are. One pushes her away, the other pulls her in. Sign 3. Tension matters more than niceness. Most guys think being kind and agreeable will make a girl like them. But attraction isn't built on comfort alone. A little friendly challenge, playful disagreement, light teasing, that creates something she can actually feel. Nice guys don't lose because they're nice. They lose because they're boring. Sign 4. Your body language is saying things before your mouth opens. Slouching. Looking away too quickly. Fidgeting when she's around. She reads all of it. Stand like you belong in the room. Hold eye contact a second longer than feels comfortable. Move slower. Speak with pauses. Confidence isn't loud. It's calm. Sign 5. Stop making her the center of your universe, especially this early. When a girl feels like she already has you completely, the chase is over before it starts. She should feel like you're genuinely interested, not desperate. Interest is attractive. Need is not. Sign 6. Build moments, not just conversations. Texting back and forth doesn't create attraction. Shared experiences do. Invite her somewhere low pressure. Make her laugh in person. Give her something to associate with you. A feeling, a memory, a moment she didn't expect. That's what sticks. Sign 7. And here's the most important one. Be genuinely okay if she still doesn't like you. That's not giving up. That's self-respect. When a girl sees that your world doesn't revolve around her reaction to you, that you're fine either way, something shifts. Because the most attractive thing you can offer isn't flowers or compliments. It's the fact that you actually like yourself. Attraction isn't something you beg for. It's something you build by becoming the kind of man who doesn't need to chase because the right people naturally want to stay close. Now, if you got her attention but you're stuck in the friend zone, that's a different problem. Watch my next video. 7 signs she's friend zoning you, so you know exactly where you stand.